I've created the ultimate guide to graphic file formats that you can download for free at grrrl.com. This way you'll know when to use each type. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide and show your artboard so you can see everything that lies inside of your document, as well as all of the space that lies outside it that you can use for brainstorming or experimentation while you're working on your file, all in Illustrator. Hello, creative! It's your graphics girl of grrrl.com. That's graphics with PH and S. Girl with no I and 3 R's. And I'm here to help you design your brand. One of the reasons why I just love Adobe Illustrator and why it's my favorite graphic design program is because I can use it to export to both print and web file formats. In this guide to graphic types that you can download from graphicsgirl.com with the link right up here or in the description below, but I also love it because I can use it not only to see everything that's in my document or artboard right here, but I can use the area outside of the artboard, known as the pasteboard, to brainstorm and create other things that I'm not yet ready to put into my document. Let me demonstrate how that works. Here I am inside my document that I've created, but let's say I wanted to play around with this icon for PDF. I'll go ahead and make a copy of it by holding down my Alt or Option key and dragging to create a copy of it outside of my artboard in the pasteboard area. So I could modify this icon out here, playing around with it until I'm happy, and then put it back in my layout. This way I have more room with which to work, which doesn't disrupt the layout that I already have going on. So I'm just going to pan over here with my hand tool, or H on my keyboard, and I'll also zoom in with Command or Control+. So here I am in my pasteboard area, but I don't know about you, but this vibrant red color in the gray area is playing tricks on my eyes. And I just want to go ahead and kind of make this area white. Now I could make a rectangle that's white, lock it down, and then design on top of it, but why should I do that when all I have to do is this one step? So you come to View, Hide Artboard. And when you select that, why everything outside of the document's file is also white. There's my original file, and there's my pasteboard now, completely white. Now if I come back to View, Show Artboard, why I can see where my document's bounding box begins. So I know exactly what will fall inside of that trim area and be well within the safety area inside of the trim that's safe for copy to exist without the fear of getting cut off. You know, when it comes to graphics, there are so many file formats. There's AI, PSD, SWF, PNG, PDF, JPEG, GIF, TIFF. Whew! How do you keep them all straight? Well, now you don't have to, because I've created the ultimate guide to graphic file formats that you can download for free at graphicsgirl.com. This way you'll know when to use each type. Just click the link below. So you can see in this file that I have a mask going on, meaning I've made a bounding box that was actually the same size as my document, and I created a mask. I show you how you can create a mask in the video right up there. So if I release my mask, voila! Wow, I have a lot going on outside of my document here. Command or Control Z that, and let's come back to the task at hand, which is to modify this icon that I've created. I'm going to go ahead and hide my artboard by View, Hide Artboard. Everything is now completely white, and I get the feeling that I have more room from which to work, right? If I wanted to scale this icon up and see what I'm doing and scale it back down, and I can select individual elements to delete them,
or modify them in some way, and then put that back into my file. Then going ahead and showing my artboard once again, voila. I think I like my original better, so I'll go ahead and delete that. But the point is that you can use the area outside of your document without fear that it will be seen by the end user, as when you export out your file in any one of these file formats, such as PDF or PNG, and they would see only the area inside of the artboard if you choose Use Artboard, or artboards if you have multiple artboards going on. So once again, if you would like this free guide to graphic types that outlines all the different types of graphic file formats, whether that's for print or web, go ahead and download it right up here or in the link below.
If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave some comments below.
Okay.
And don't forget, head over to grrrl to get your free marketing, branding, and design resources. I look forward to seeing you over there and helping you design your brand.